Today we're going to look at joining two pieces of wood together using screws. So I know that when I'm trying to drill or put a screw in going down, I'm going to have to be right in the middle of this piece of wood. The first thing I need to think about is these pieces of wood are pretty thin this way. One nice thing to do is if you have a vise, you can use that to hold your bottom piece of wood. And when I'm screwing something, I want to think about what size of screw I need. Now, there's small screws like this one, and there's big screws like this one. If I'm going through something pretty thin, when I look at this, that's plenty of the screw that's left going into the first thing I need to do is drill a hole. So I'm going to drill a hole straight down. And I'm going to drill a hole where I want my screw to go. So now I have one hole where I'm going to put this screw going down, and I have another hole where the screw is going to go into. I put the screw so it's a little bit further out. Now I'm just going to line this up, hold it with my hand, and really slowly screw it in. Now, it's going to hold, but if I leave it just like this, because there's only one screw in it, I'm going to be able to move it. So I always want to have at least two screws going down. I've screwed this on. Now I can continue with whatever project I'm building. Thanks for watching.